So the issue we're having is that this stays open when this closes. And the reason that I figured that out, what I've figured out here is there's two switches right here. As that cover piece here comes down, it pushes this, and that tells it when to put this down. So currently that one looks physically fine. The issue we have is here. This one's broken. So we're about to replace that right there, and that should take care of the problem. Okay, so I've got a T20. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little guy. In theory, this should be fairly easy to replace. Try not to drop the screw. The part number A209 8201910, Mercedes part. I did buy this on eBay, I believe. You can buy it straight from Mercedes. There's a small little plastic push. You can just push out. I'll show you better here in a second. Small pinch and remove. These little connectors can be delicate, even though, there we go. So, it's a small little push in there to locate it, and then the screw, fairly simple. Same thing, reverse. I'll go ahead and plug this in first. Come around, very, very straightforward. Just want to be really careful with it. I say straightforward and then I'm struggling with it here, but that's okay. Just gotta feed it down here without breaking it carefully. Strange, actually. Double check something, make sure it's the same. Yes, okay. Okay, there we go. I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but again, reverse of removal. It almost feels like you have to create the threads in this little thing. It's kind of common. It's got really coarse threads on the screw. Torx. Obviously, it doesn't take much. You'll strip it easily if you push too hard. Okay. There it is. The beautiful new one. We'll go ahead and do the test, make sure it works. Okay, I'm going to run it through its paces. Go ahead and try it out.
excellent.